we will have to discuss the common and the natural logarithm. So, ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa? So, yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa, logarithms at the base 10 is called the common logarithms. Example, we will have the logarithm of 9 or log 9. The natural logarithm of a number is 8 logarithm to the base of a mathematical constant e, where e is an irrational or transcendental number approximately equal to 2.71, 82, 81, 82, 84, 59. So, if you will press play here, if you press nyo siya sa calculator, yung e, ito yung lalabas, that is the approximately equal. Now, meron tayong tinatawag na characteristic and mantisa. Characteristic is the whole number, while the mantisa is the decimal. Example, logarithm of 116. So, pag pinress natin yung sa calculator, logarithm of 116. So, magkakaroon tayo ng press lang natin yung log, tapos 116. So, lalabas dyan is 2.0645. So, kukunin lang natin yung up to 4 decimal places rounded off. So, 40644 yon. So, ni-round up natin kaya naging 45. Yung characteristic dito is 2. Yan. Here. Kaya siya naging 2. And yung 0.60645 is the mantisa. The next is the example is the ln42. So, pag pinress natin yung ln42 sa calculator, parang kailangan pindutin mo lang yung ln, then 42. So, up to 4 decimal again, rounded off. So, 3.7376. So, round up natin. This will be 3.7377. So, nagkaroon siya ng 3.7377. So, the characteristic is 3. And the mantisa is 0.7377. So, yun. Now, the next is the algorithm and the anti-ln. So, in this case, gamit tayo ngayon ng we have to find for the value of the x. So in this case, magkakaroon tayo dito na example natin is logarithm of x is equal to 2.9350. Now, kailangan natin makuha yung value ng x. So ang gagawin natin to find for the value of x here is erase natin siya sa 10. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 10. So, 10, tapos ito ay magiging paste natin siya sa 10. Lagyan natin ng 10 din sa baba para may siya sa 10. Now, since nakaka-raise na siya sa 10, ito, tsaka ito, ating ika-cancel kasi logarithm, kung babalikan natin, yung log natin is in the base 10. So, cancel siya. Kaya, maka-cancel siya pag nilagyan natin siya ng 10. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x is equal to 10 raised to 2.9350. So, kapag pinanayos natin sa calculator yung 10 raised to 2.9350, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na, so, ganda lang siya. So, yung 10, shift mo siya, shift, tapos 10, tapos 2.9350. So, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na x is equal to 860.9338. Ayan. 860. This is 99 rather. 99.38. So, in this case, kunin lang natin yung up to 2 decimals. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x is equal to 860.99. Yung rounded. So, 99 siya. Pero, kukunin natin dito is kukuha tayo ng up to whole number. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x is equal to 861 as the final answer or the value of the x. Okay, so natin calculator. So next is the logarithm of x is equal to 2.6085. Now, ganun ulit. So, lagyan natin ng 10 and lagyan natin ng 10. So, cancel out ito. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x is equal to 10 raised to 2.6085. Then, x is equal to Calculator again. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng shift tapos 10 raised to 2.6085. So, up to whole number. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 406 as the final answer. Yan. Okay, next is we have the ln x is equal to 2.0794. Now, kapag naman ln, ang kabaliktaran ni ln ay e. Yung e naman ang ating ilalagay. Ayan. I-release natin siya sa e. So, cancel to. So, magkaroon ka dito ng x is equal to e raised to 2.0794. So, use the calculator again. So, magkaroon tayo ng e naman siya. So, shift, tapos ln naman siya. 10. Tapos, 2.0794. Now, up to whole number ulit. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x is equal to 8 as the answer kasi 7.99. So, rounded off, that will be 8. So, yours it work. You have the 30 minutes to answer these. And these are the questions. So, all you have to do is to answer all even numbers. But in your Edmodo, naka-program na to. So, just follow na lang kung ano yung nandun sa Edmodo. Next, evaluation of logarithms of number with base 10. In evaluation of logarithm of numbers with base 10, ang gagawin naman natin dito is we need to find for the value of the n into whole number. So, apply natin yung mga properties ng logarithms. So, in this case, meron tayong n is equal to 245 multiplied by 675. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng n is equal to logarithm of 245 plus logarithm of 675. O bakit siya plus? Kasi ang given natin ay multiplication. Remember, kapag multiplication, we have to use the plus sign. Now, kuha tayo ng value ng logarithm of 245. So, natin siya. Logarithm of 245. Kunin natin. So, magkaroon tayo ng 2.3892 plus logarithm of 675. So, this will be 2.8293. Then, i-add lang natin. So, yung n natin, add lang natin to at saka ito. Kapag in-add natin, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 5.2185. Then, after that, i-raise natin siya sa 10 or using the antilag. So, magkakaroon tayo ng n is equal to 10 raised to 5.2185. So, your n is equal to, so, shift natin, shift, plus 10. So, magkakaroon tayong 5.2185. So, up to whole number, so, magkakaroon tayo ng 165,386 as the value of the n. The next, we have the n is equal to 647 and 32 squared. So, again, magkakaroon tayo dito ng n is equal to logarithm of 647 plus logarithm. Since meron tayong exponent, so we have to use the power property. So, 2 logarithm of 32. Then, n is equal to, baka lang tayo ng kunin natin siya sa calculator. So, logarithm of 6 per 7 is 2.8109. So, 2.8109 plus 2 logarithm of 32. This will be 3.0103. Then, add lang natin. Add lang natin to. So, magkakaroon tayo yung sagot na kapag in-add natin yung dalawa, this will be 5.8212. Yung n mo, raise natin siya sa 10. Antilag, use the antilag. 5.8212. So, the n will be equal to, so antilag natin, so shift tapos log, so be 5.8212. So the answer will be 662,552. So 662,522 as the value of the n. The next is we have n is equal to 0.056 multiplied by the cube root of 476 over 2.65. So, ang property natin dito, we have the addition, power property, and the division. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng n is equal to 0.056 logarithm rather. So, logarithm of 0.056 plus, this will be 1/3. That's the power property. Logarithm of 476 minus logarithm of 2.65. Then, kunin natin yung value ng bawat isa. So, logarithm of, just calculator. So, para tayong logarithm of 0.056. So, that will be negative 1.2518. So, this is negative 1.2518. Then, 1/3. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1 tapos third. Then, logarithm of 476. But this will be 0.8925. So, plus 0.8925. Then, minus, so wala tayong logarithm of 2.65. Logarithm of 2.65, answer will be 0.4232. So, 0.4232. Then, add lang natin, add, then minus. So, simplify lang natin siya in short. So, pag simplify natin, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na negative 0.7825. Then, apply natin yung antilog. So, 10 raised to negative 0.7825. So, to find for the n, so magkakaroon tayo ng shift, then log. That will be negative 0.7825. And the answer will be 0.1650. So, in this case, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-round off sa full number kasi 0 pa din yung magiging sagot. So, kapag ganito, kuha lang tayo ng up to 4 decimal. So, 0.1650 as the answer. So, per report, this is also per 10 minutes and this will be the question. So, just answer it. So, nakalagay na yun sa nakaprogram na din yan sa Edmodo and how to get the answer or how to answer it rather. Next, solution of logarithmic equation. In the solution of logarithmic equation, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng, again, we have to find for the value of the x. So, given natin is logarithm of 4, then the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 2. So, in this case, we have to transform the given into exponential equation. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 4 squared is equal to x minus 2. So, remember the transformation. Just remember na lang yung transformation of the logarithmic to exponential. Then, this will be 4 squared is 16 is equal to x minus 2. Then, by transposition, magkakaroon tayo ng 16 plus 2 is equal to x. Then, this will be 18 is equal to x, or x is equal to 18. Next, we have the logarithm of x with base of 2 plus logarithm of the quantity of x minus 1 with base of 2 is equal to 1. So, So, in this case, since ito ay may plus, so under siya ng multiplication. So, since parehas naman sila ng base, pwede natin siyang pagsamahin. So, magkakaroon tayong logarithm of 2, then x minus 1 is equal to 1. Then, we need to transform the given into exponential equation. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 to the 1 is equal to x times x minus 1. 2 to the 1 is 2, still 2, is equal to distributive property. So, x times x is x squared, and x times negative 1 is negative x. Then, lipat lang natin ito dito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then, we have to apply the factoring. Factoring. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng this is x and x. Then, after that, this will be negative 2 and positive 1 is equal to 0. Then, we have to apply the 0 property. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. By transposition, so x is equal to, put lang natin ito dito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng positive 2, yung isang value ng x. While yung isang value ng x is, pag nilipat natin ito dito, magkakaroon tayo ng x is equal to negative 1. So, yeah. So, we have the positive 2 and negative 1 as the answer of the given. Next, we have the logarithm of x plus 2 minus logarithm of x is equal to 2. Now, in this case, kapag walang base ang given natin, invisible 10, that is the given. Para siyang, diba, ang x, invisible 1. Ang exponent ni x ay x to the 1. So logarithm, kapag wala kang nakitang nakalagay na number or pinaka-base, so automatically, ang base niya ay 10. So, this is under the division. So, therefore, kasi meron siyang minus. So, magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of x plus 2 over x is equal to 2. So, yan. So, transform into exponential. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 10 squared. Again, wala siyang base. So, kasi it's invisible 10. So, is equal to x plus 2 over x. Then, 10 squared is 100 is equal to x plus 2 over x. Then, after yan, multiply natin ito dito. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 100x is equal to x plus 2. So, ito, lipat natin ito dito. So, 100x minus x is equal to 2. And 100x minus x, this will be 99x is equal to 2. So, divide both sides natin. So, here. So, 99x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 99 to find for the x. So, your x is equal to 2 over 99. This will be the answer. The next question is, the next given, we have here the 3 raised to x is equal to 5. So, kapag naman number ang given, iano naman natin sa kanya, lalagyan naman natin siya ng log. So, log. So, in this case, magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of 3 raised to x is equal to logarithm of 5. Since meron tayong exponent dito, so apply the power property. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x log 3 is equal to logarithm of 5. Then, after that is to find for the x, divide natin siya ng logarithm of 3, logarithm of 3. Then, cancel ito. So, x is equal to logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 3. So, your x is equal to, so kunin natin yung value ng logarithm of 5. Yan. Gamit ulit tayo ng calculator. So, logarithm of 5. This will be 0.69897. So, rounded off, this will be 0.6990. over logarithm of 3. So, log 3. So, magkakaroon na yung 4771. So, this will be 0.4771. Then, di-divide natin yung dalawa. So, pag di-divide natin yung 0.6990 divided by 0.4771, karoon tayo na sagot na 1.47. And ito yung value ng ating x. The next we have here ln x plus ln 8 is equal to 0. So, under siya na may plus siya. So, therefore, this is under the product. So, ln x times 8 is equal to 0. Or, karoon tayo ng ln 8x is equal to 0. Then, para matanggal yung ln, ang kabaliktaran niya is yung e. Yan. So, cancel to. So, magkakaroon lang tayo dito ng 8x is equal to e to the 0. So, 8x is equal to, ang e to the 0 natin ay 1. Then, divide both side by 8. Cancel out. Yung x mo is equal to 1 over 8 as the answer. So next, we have e to the 2x is equal to 8. Now, kapag naman e, ang kabaliktaran ni e ay ln. So, lalagyan mo siya dito ng ln and ln. So, cancel na to. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng 2x is equal to ln of 8. So, divide both side tayo ng 2. Cancel out. X is equal to, kuha natin yung value ng ln 8. So, ln 8. Ang value nito ay 2.0794. So, this is 2.0794 over 2. And divide natin yung 2.0794 sa 2. Magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 1.0397. Yan. Again, so your seat work is for 10 minutes. And this is the question. So you have to evaluate the following. So in short, you have to find for the value of x. So for the number 1, meron kang minus sign dyan. So this is under the division property. Then kapag number for x, 4 raised to x is equal to 7, you have to use the logarithm. Kapag ln, ang kabaliktaran niya ay e. Kapag e, ang kabaliktaran niya ay ln. Let's go now with the application of logarithmic function. So, in this case, nakalagay dito, how does it takes an investment of 5,000 to double if it's invested at 5% interest compounded quarterly? So, nakalagay dyan. So, we have to identify first the given. So, given natin. So, ano ba yung mga given natin? So, sabi dito, ang tinanong dito is how does long. So, ibig sabihin, time yung nawawala. Then, yung 5,000 natin, this will be our principal. So, therefore, this is our P, which is 5,000. Yung A natin is 10,000. So, bakit siya naging 10,000? Kasi, investment of 5,000 to double. So, the double of 5,000 is 10,000. Then, yung R natin is equal to the 5%, that will be 0.05. And yung N natin is equal to compounded quarterly. This will be 4. Kasi quarterly siya. So, the missing is the time. So, solution natin, gamitin natin formula is A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So, yan lang natin. So, plug in lang natin yung given sa ating formula. So, A natin is 10,000 is equal to 5,000 multiply by 1 plus yung R natin is 0.05 over 4 raised to n natin ay 4, then t. Yan. Then, simplify lang muna natin yung nandito sa loob. Yung 1 plus 0.05 over 4. So, pag simplify natin yan, ay ng 10,000 is equal to 5,000 multiply by. So, simplify natin. Gamit tayo ng calculator. So, 1 plus 0.05 over 4. So, bibigyan tayo ng 1.0125. So, it will be 1.0125 raised to 4t. Then, i-divide natin ang ating given by 5,000. 5,000. So, cancel to. So, 10,000 divided by 5,000, this will be 2. Is equal to, yung natira is 1.0125 raised to 4t. So, in this case, applyan natin siya ng logarithm. So, log and log. So, magkakaroon tayo ng logarithm of 2 is equal to logarithm of 1.0125 raised to 4t. So, itong part na to is under siya ng power property. So, apply natin siya. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng logarithm of 2 is equal to 4t log of 1.0125. Yan. So, binaba natin siya kasi application of the power property. So, since kinukuha natin yung letter t o yung time, yung mga kasama dito ng letter t, ito-divide natin siya. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 4 log 1.0125 sa kabila din. So, 4 log 1.0125. So, cancel to, cancel, cancel, and cancel. So, natira lang dito sa kabila ay t is equal to logarithm of 2 over 4 log 1.0125. So, yun. So, pag kinuha natin yung calculator natin, shortcut na natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ng t is equal to our time. This will be logarithm of 2 over this will be logarithm of 2 over 4 log 1.0125. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 13.95 years. This will be 13.95 years. Yan yung ating time. Next. So, Mr. John bought an 1,200,000 worth of car. It depreciates the rate of 15% a year. So, how many years it will be half of its original price? So, again, so ang car natin, kapag binili natin ng 1,200,000, in the next year, bumababa na yung presyo niya. In the next year, tapos habang tumatagal yung car, ay bumababa yung value niya. Hindi siya tumataas. Compare sa lupa, or yung lupa, or real estate, habang tumatagal ay tumataas ang value. So, baliktad sila. Yung car, mahal siya ngayon, pero after 10 years, mura na siya ngayon. Mura na siya. Or, yun. So, let's identify the given. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng letter A natin. Letter P rather. Yung P natin dito is the 1,200,000. That, tapos, depreciate so, nakalito, how many years will it be half of original price? Yung kalahati ng 1 million, that will be the letter A. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 600,000. Kasi kalahati ng 1.2 million. Then, yung R natin is 0.15. Ayusin lang natin. This will be 0.15. Eh, nawawala dito is the time pa din kasi how many years nakalagay dito. Okay, solution. Ang formula natin gagamitin is dA is equal to P times 1 minus R raised to T. Bakit 1 minus R? Kasi it's talk about depreciate. Kapag siya ay increasing, that is the plus, 1 plus. Pero kapag depreciation is, ano siya? 1 minus R. So, plug in. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 600,000 is equal to 1,200,000. Then, 1 minus 0.15 raised to T. So, simplify lang muna natin yung 1 minus 0.15. So, this will be 600,000 is equal to 1,200,000. Then, 0 natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 0.85. Kung simplify yan, 1 minus 0.15, 0.85 raised to T. Then, divide natin siya ng 1,200,000. 1,200,000. So, para maka-cancel yan. So, in this case, magkakaroon tayo dito ng logarithm 600,000 divided by 1,200,000. This will be 0.5 or 1/2. And 0.85 raised to T. And apply natin siya ng log and log. So, magkakaroon tayo ng log 0.5 is equal to log 0.85 raised to T. Then, apply natin siya ng power property. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng log 0.5 is equal to T log 0.85. Continuation here. So log 0.5 is equal to T log 0.85. Divide both side natin siya ng log 0.85 and log 0.85. So, cancel out siya. So, T is equal to logarithm of 0.5 over log of 0.85. Then, T is equal to, gamit lang tayo ng calculator again. This way. Calculator again. So, this will be log 0.5 logarithm 0.5 over logarithm of 0.85 of 0.85. So, the answer will be 4.26, rounded off 4.27. This will be for 4.27 years. Yan. Okay? So, evaluation or PT time, or let's say we have 20 minutes to answer. So these are the questions. All you have to do is to answer this problem and just see how to answer on sa Edmodo. Andun mo na siya. Nakalagay na siya, naka-post na siya. So that's all.